Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make Thieves wipes. I know they offer Thieves wipes on the website, but if you wanted a bigger batch and for a little bit cheaper, I have a solution right here for you. First off, you're going to need a jar. This jar is probably slightly too big, but it works for the time being because I couldn't find anything smaller. And then you're going to need half a roll of paper towel. So you just take a big roll like this one right here. I actually used a bread knife, but whatever kind of sharp knife that you have is would work. And then I cut it in half and I took the roller out. So this is just the paper towel in here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the lid off, put this in. Super easy, guys. Squish it right in there. Pound it in if you need to. That part is done. Then you're going to take 2 cups of water, and I'm going to add 2 capfuls of Thieves cleaner. Thieves cleaner is great. It's an awesome plant-based cleaner, safe and healthy for your entire family. I'm actually going to add 2.5 as well, is because I just like to. I like to add a couple drops of lemon. So I'll do that too. This is just lemon essential oil. 100% pure, therapeutic grade lemon from Young Living. I'm going to give it a nice little whisk real quick, make sure it's all mixed in there. And then I'm just going to pour it right into the jar. I'm going to try to make sure it's covering all of the paper towels in there, but it will take about a half hour for it to soak completely through. And I'm just going around in circles. I would not use these until at least an hour after you've made them. That's what it looks like. I'll show you what the other jar, this is one I've had done for a while. I'm going to go ahead and show you what this one looks like. So you can just take it, you tear it, it's really easy because it's already got the tear marks. Then I just double it over and use it just like this. An awesome, awesome wipe. It's not too wet. You don't have to like squeegee it out. It's just the perfect amount of wetness to do a great cleaning job. And the best thing is, like, unlike Clorox wipes, you don't have to let it sit here for 3 minutes. You just do a few wipes and it's sanitized, guys. And then you throw it away and you're done. You don't have to rewash your counter. You don't have to spray down water with to get rid of all of the chemicals that are in it, because there aren't any chemicals. It's a toxin-free, plant-based product. So I love my Thieves wipes. And that is what these are. So like I said, this one will take about 30 to 45 minutes for it to totally absorb all of the liquid that I just put in there, but then it's good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really quick and a great way to turn your house into a chemical-free zone, or as much as you can possible. I know it's hard to change over everything right away, but every little thing counts. It really does. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all later. Bye!